Hello, welcome back with another video. Thank you guys for joining me again. And I would like to go ahead and get started with these messages. Thank you for your likes, shares, subscribes, comments, views. They're truly appreciated. So, this just came to mind. And by the way, the noise in the background is high frequency sound. So it helps, raise your frequency. And we want to be, you know, we want to be the best version of ourselves. Some of us may feel down. Um, when I do use music that, it raises it brings you calm, peace, I feel better. So hopefully maybe you guys will, check out your own. There's so many different sounds that you can enjoy, and maybe you will possibly be inspired to create your own routine where you are listening to different sounds that, when you feel these sounds, you feel like you are being healed. You feel better than when you started. So those are the high frequency sounds, the high frequency music that will help you feel good. So, this just came to my mind, and by me even turning on my high frequency sounds, that gave me this, idea or thought. You have people that may be in your lives now or that were once in your life that feel like they was okay with you as long as you was the background noise. So these are the people, that you may have spent a lot of time with. This could be in any type of environment. This could be work environment. This could be home, childhood, friendships, lovers. And they was cool. You guys probably got along wonderful as long as they felt that you were in the background. Some of you guys may be key players from the background. I'm talking to some real confident people out here. I know y'all confident. And your confidence, a part of your confidence may lie in the fact that you don't feel the need to always be at the forefront. So I'll give you a quick example. For example, a lot of these designers and, different name brands, a lot of us will wear them, will drive them, will buy them without even ever seeing the person that owns the brand. In fact, you may not even know nothing about them. And guess what? You've invested. You've invested without ever seeing them. So that's just one example. And that was funny because I'm laughing, y'all. Because I'm one of those. I'm guilty. I'm guilty. I'm one of those people where I was buying, doing that. You ain't never met these people. You ain't never seen their face. You don't know what they stand for, but you invested. See, this is how some of these people wanted you to be. They wanted you to invest in them without even knowing all the details. And for a lot of you guys, you invested because these may have been loved ones. You invested in this company. You liked what it stood for. This could have been a business deal. This could have been in anything, any person. And they was okay with you playing the background role. Background. I couldn't even say the background because guess what? I'm laughing, y'all, because it's so funny. Like, especially I'm speaking from my personal experience as well. So it's like people don't understand that background position. I mean, it's a lot of power back there. See, they was okay with you being behind them. But once you started making that noise, that noise, that's when they had a problem. That's when they had a problem. Some of you guys are people that may be reserved. You may sometimes choose to hold your opinion about things, but yet you still have how you feel, your viewpoints. Some of you guys may have just chose to allow other people to say how they feel. You may have supported them in what they had going on. And all the while, they thought you didn't have nothing going on. You was behind them. You was just chitter chatter. Busy time. You know, just something to keep them busy at the moment. You know? Some of this is unintentional. You know, there's people out there that don't even realize that they may use people just to pass time, maybe because, you know, X, Y, and Z. You may have even confirmation. You may have even used people, spent time with people to pass time. But guess what? You may always let people shine. You ain't hating on nobody else's flow. You don't mind playing the background because you realize that sometimes the background player is the key individual. The boss that ain't seen. The one with the strong mind that will allow others to take lead the way they see fit. And then there's others that appreciate leading from the background. See, you knew that your time would come. You knew that when it's time for you to make noise, you make noise. Some of these people may have never seen how you would. Some of these people may have seen you through their own experiences. They may have felt like you wasn't making noise out the gate. That ain't you. They was okay with you being in the background. Some of them felt like they was okay with you having less than them. A lot of them benefited from you playing the background in their life. But once you started making noise, once little old background noise made too much noise, it was too loud. That's when you became a threat. See, they didn't know that you could roar as loud as you could. They didn't know that the moves, those moves that you were making that seemed so small to them, so small to them, you was the background. They thought you'd always be the background. A lot of you guys understood that there's a time and a place. If we're playing chess, everybody has their position. You can't predict how long somebody will take to make their move. So, at the end of the day, that's their fault for ruling you as just background noise. Never may have looked at you as anything else. Get some cards out here, y'all. I was laughing because I'm like, there's so many times that I myself played that where I just sat back in the cut. Because, I mean, bosses don't talk. We just sit back and listen. There's a time and a place. Like, what? You do the talking. I know what I'm doing. Some of y'all got a lot of confidence where y'all know y'all didn't have to do a lot of talking. Talking for what? My actions speak for themselves. Y'all actions speak for yourselves. You don't need to do a lot of talking. If they see you as background, oh well, good, cool. That's where y'all saw. That's for them. How do you see yourself? And I'm talking to some people that know that y'all some bosses from the background. Even the example, y'all could be working and maybe you might want to be your own boss. Have your own business. Make your own schedules. Live life on your own time. And guess what? You still gonna clock in until you can get to where you need to go. See? Some of y'all got ruled out as just being background noise because they felt like y'all was some regular individuals. Y'all ain't got nothing else going on. Keep letting them think that. Let them think that, guys. Yep. Somebody may have not wanted you to. You guys are in your present power, your past life present power. So y'all are merging the power that you embodied past lives into this current timeline. You see, the background is no longer where you're going to be. Your time is up. Your time has come. The time is now. You're in your power. And you're learning how to bring it into focus, how to make it work for you. In spite of what other people were seeing. See, the background is where you were learning, where you were growing, where you were healing. All the while having confidence in yourself to continue to keep going. In spite of whatever it may look like. See, that background noise was powerful. That was a powerful position. Being a leader while allowing others to lead the way that they want to, the way they see fit. You knowing that whatever move, whatever piece that you play on the board is always a powerful piece. See, it's power in even being able to be all of the different pieces on the board at different times. That's how you learn how each piece moves. How you move when you are this piece, when you are that piece. God was preparing you, was growing you, was healing you, so that you will be able to hold, you will be able to handle your full power potential. You're bringing it together. You guys are having another awakening. So you guys may have experienced several. In fact, your whole life you've had awakenings. But as you get older, you realize these awakenings that you are having. You are connecting with Source. You realize now when you're having upgrades. You're accepting your power. Some of you guys may have been scared of your own power, your own strength. You knew that you were a strong individual, but you did not know what to do with all that strength. What do you do when your cup runneth over? A lot of you guys may have poured into everybody you came into contact with in some type of way. By the time you was finished, you didn't have nothing left. You were left with drained power. This will be the times when people say that people fall off. People ain't doing what they expected them to do. X, Y, and Z. After your power has been drained. Moving with immaturity. You guys are starting to understand what is going on in your own life, your own perceptions. The Most High is giving you the key of life, eternal life, eternal. Your destiny is this warrior. I'm talking to some warriors out there. So powerful. Unbelievable strength. You may have realized this as a youngin'. Some of you guys may not even like to fight. I'm hearing that some of you guys may not even like to fight because you know that not only are you mentally strong, but you've always been physically strong, emotionally strong. Very powerful. Your heart. You are strength. You embody the energy of strength, of power. Yes, your path. I'm talking to some people whose paths is divine warrior. This is your destiny. I heard you killing them. You killing the game. Just being you. Very strong. This may not have even been something that you guys asked for. I'm talking to some people out here where God is about to bless you in so many different ways you cannot understand. You're paying attention. You see how far that you've come. You're very powerful. Man, very powerful. Yeah, I'm definitely getting that. The wheel is turning in your favor. Period. Period. You guys are finally awakening to who you are. And it feels good. I ain't even gonna lie. The energy that I'm getting right now, that I'm feeling, it feels so good. It feels so good. Because can't nobody take it away from you unless you let them. This is what you may have learned. That's why you went through a lot of things. That's why God gave you different things at different times of your life. When God felt like you was ready, that you can handle it. Because there has been times where you have maybe had a lot of your power. You had a lot at the time, and you didn't know how to handle it. Some of you guys were ashamed and wondering why people around you did not have the same that you have, the strength. You may be ashamed because you knew that you're a very confident person. You know that you are strong. You know that you are powerful. This is your destiny. All right, Divine Warriors. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.